How are you guys doing today? My name is Kevin and today I'm going to show you how to make chili cheese dip. This is a super simple, easy dish to make. It only involves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, 6 plus the chips. So let's get right into it. You're going to take 2 cans of chili. Right now, basically, I'm using some kind of chili with beans. Pop those 2 cans open and dump them into the crock pot. All right, the next ingredient is 2 bricks of cream cheese. So I've got 2 bricks of cream cheese right here. I'm just gonna toss them both right in the crock pot. Next, you're gonna take half an onion, mince it up into fine little pieces, and toss it in. After that, you're gonna take 1 bell pepper, cut that thing up, toss it on in. Throw them right in there. And we're already on our final step, which is going to be 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And we are all set to go. Put the top on the crock pot. Now you're gonna either wanna cook this on high for 1 hour or low for 2 hours. And every once in a while, if you wanna stir it, go ahead and stir it as it cooks. And about an hour or 2 from now, you're gonna have the biggest hit of the party. I hope you guys like this recipe and I will see you guys later.